happened?
Someone hurt my mommy.
Who?
Me.
Fran.
You guys see that weird ice cream man today?
What do you mean weird?
He just kept popping up, like he was following me. Is everyone sick or something? Marcella! Marcella!
Back to your classroom. What is going on here?
This isn't funny!
Jesus fucking Christ! What have you done?
That ice cream's demonic. They're not trying to kill us. They're trying to turn us. We have to run.
You can't just kill him. You have to cut his head off.
Fucking kids.